Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. A landing page is perfect for focused goals like capturing emails or promoting a single product. So let's get started. Now the first step is to create a new page. And to do that you have to log into your Squarespace account. Just go to your browser here and search for Squarespace. Now, if you have created an account, you can go here. You can go to the Squarespace and search for it in Google, and you can enter your account's credentials to log in. After that, select Account Dashboard, and you will be directed to your account dashboard. Now, here, select the site where you want to add the landing page. I'm gonna select this one right here. Now on the left sidebar, click on Pages here. Then scroll to the section labeled Not Linked and click the plus icon to add a new page. Now I'm waiting for them to appear. Let's look for it. Let's look for the Not Linked. Here, it's here. We're gonna click on the plus button to create a new page. And we're gonna select a blank page right here. Now, cover pages are great for landing pages because they come with a single layout and focus designs. Right here. Confirm. Confirm again. Cancel. Right here. Now, the second step is to customize your landing page layout. Once you have the blank page, click on Edit and use the block options to add elements like text, images, buttons, or forms. Click on Edit right here, and you'll be able to edit any section of this page. You can edit the site footer, you can add page contents, and etc. Keep the design minimalistic and focus on the main action you want visitors to take, like signing up for a newsletter or purchasing a product. Now for the third step is to adjust settings for SEO and navigation. Click on the gear icon next to the page name in the sidebar. Here, let's exit. Now, here you can edit the page title, URL, slug, and SEO description to optimize it for search engines. Since it's a landing page, keep it not linked so it doesn't appear in your main navigation. This keeps it accessible only through direct links. With those steps, your landing page is ready to go. Landing pages are powerful tools for driving specific actions, so be sure to test and refine them for the best result. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.